It's snowing outside, so it's perfect timing to work on your project cars. Today I want to show you how easy it is to change door handle on Mercedes W116 S-Class. In order to remove this door handle, what you need to do is open your door, and then you would find this plastic cap here, and underneath that you have two bolts you need to remove. In order to remove this plastic, you could theoretically use your fingernails, but it could be painful, so I don't want to do that. I would use this plastic from trim removal. You can find them quite cheap. So I try to use this, and it goes out quite easily. Here we have two Allen keys bolts that we need to undo. You can find Allen key from this set. For me it's 5mm. I hope you can see this on the video, and I will use this one to undo the bolts. Be careful to not damage your paint, so I would do it slowly because Allen key would hit here, so I will do it slowly. Be careful to not drop this inside of the door because there is a small hole, and then you need to remove your whole door trim in order to get to these bolts once again. To remove this door handle, you need to push it to the front of the door, exactly like this, and then just pull it outside, wiggle it a bit, and that's it. It's that easy. So now, if you want to push it back, you first need to put this one in this position, because if it is not, then it will hit here and then you will have troubles putting it back. And also this needs to be aligned with the hole inside that you would see. So try to do it, and probably you need a few tries to make it perfect. Also, you would see that this needs to go first in order to fit nicely. So we'll start by pushing all of this inside, like this one, then like this, and then front, and that's it. Now double check the door actually is working. So now you see it works, which is nice, and try the key to lock the doors. If it does not work, then you did not push this thing in the correct hole. Just a small tip, and then you probably need a few tries to make this work perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Just to try out if it works, and yes, it works perfectly.